Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone camera not working after update iOS 17. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Method 1. Reset all settings. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Reset all setting. Enter your phone passcode. Again reset all setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Method number 2. Check camera setting under screen time. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap screen time. On the screen time page, turn on screen time. Again turn on screen time. Tap on This is my iPhone. On the screen time page, scroll down, tap Content and Privacy Restriction. Turn on Content and Privacy Restriction. And tap on Allow Apps. Turn off camera. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Method number 3. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, tap Software Update. Software update is available. Tap Download and install to upgrade the iOS. Method number 4. Restart your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Shutdown. Now slide it to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Enter your phone passcode. Thanks for watching this video.